Do not reuse your face mask in these three cases. Firstly, if you have been to hospitals and other medical institutions or have been contacted with fever and cough people and even the suspected and confirmed patient. Secondly, masks are contaminated. Finally, masks are worn out. Why the mask can be reused? Since the survival time of coronavirus is 3 hours to 5 days when they are away from human body, and about 3 to 5 hours in air, 24 to 72 hours on the surface of plastic or stainless steel, and 24 hours on the surface of cardboard box. That's why we can reuse the face masks as long as they are used in the less risky places. We recommend you to use the mask 2 to 3 times and do not wear the mask more than 2 to 4 hours per time. Too much service time will reduce the protection. Actually, I don't advise all the medical staff to reuse the mask. Only make sure the medical staff are well protected. Can the patients get better security? The following is how I make the cardboard box to isolate the mask. Suppose we have to go out every day. Personally, I have to go to my grandfather's homes to cook for him every day, and I will wear mask A on Monday, Thursday, and Sunday. Don't reach 72 hours, I won't wear mask A. And I will wear mask B on Tuesday and Friday, mask C for Wednesday and Saturday. After 1 week, in order to get an easy record, all the masks will be thrown away.